Are you dealing with low back or hip pain and have to sit all day for work or have trouble laying down on the ground doing stretches? Well, then you're in luck. In this quick video, I'm going to go over 3 really easy, straightforward stretches you can do while sitting that will give you some instant relief. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all you beautiful people out there. My name is Dr. J, a physical therapist here to get you out of pain and back into the game of life. In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 of my favorite stretches that I like to give my patients that can be performed easily while sitting in a chair. These stretches help a lot of people that sit for long periods of time, like office workers, or if you're just looking for some quick stretches to do in a seated position. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's get into the stretches. The first stretch is called a seated hamstring stretch. This is going to help stretch out the muscle in the back of your leg and the back of your knee here. So what you're going to do is you're going to scoot to the edge of the chair, and then in this position, you're going to straighten out your leg as much as you can. You might already feel the stretch in the back of the leg or the back of the knee while you're in this position. You want to make sure that you're keeping your ankle straight and relaxed. You don't want to point it too far down or too far up. If you don't feel a stretch in this position, what you can do is bend forward just a little bit at the hips, and then you should feel a nice gentle stretch in the back of the leg and the back of the knee. You'd want to hold this for about 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times on the right side and the left side. The next stretch is called a seated piriformis stretch. Your piriformis muscle is a muscle deep in the hip and the glute area that can cause a lot of trouble when you're dealing with hip or back pain. While you're in this position, you're going to cross one leg over the other leg if you're able to. And then you're going to lean forward just a little bit, again at the hips, until you feel a gentle pull, a gentle stretch somewhere in the back of the hip or the glute area. Once you feel that gentle stretch, you can hold it for about 30 seconds and then repeat 3 times on the right and 3 times on the left. What you can also do while you're in this position is, while sitting up straight, is you can pull your knee a little bit up towards your opposite shoulder. And this is another way to stretch out that piriformis muscle and some other muscles in the glutes. So experiment a little bit. You could try both, see if there's one that feels a little bit better than the other. The third stretch is called a seated QL stretch. QL stands for quadratus lumborum, and it's this muscle on the outside of your lower back here on both sides, which can get really tight and cause a lot of lower back pain. While you're in this position, you can put one arm on your thigh, and then you're going to lift the other arm up. You're going to bring it up over your head and then lean just a little bit to your side and forward, and you should feel a nice gentle stretch on the outside of your lower back area here. Once you feel that stretch, you would hold it for about 30 seconds and then repeat on the other side, doing it 3 times on each side. For all these stretches, I'd recommend doing them a couple times throughout the day. Very important that you just go until you feel a small, gentle stretch. There's no need to try to go as far as you can or push through any pain. The last little tip I want to give is that even with these stretches, it's still important to try to stand up every 30 to 45 minutes if you can, to try to loosen things up a little bit more. Our bodies aren't really made to sit for long periods of time. What you could do is set a reminder on your phone, or you could download an app. There's tons of free apps that you can download. My favorite is called Stand Up, and you can use it to customize it towards your work schedule to remind you to stand up however often you'd like. Let me know how these stretches felt down in the comments, and if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to turn notifications on so you don't miss any more videos. And remember, you deserve peace, not pain.